Hey YouTube, this is WorkCuber here, and today I'm gonna try to solve a Rubik's Cube with only one hand. And I'm doing this because I'm bored, and hopefully you guys enjoy this. Okay, so I'm not timing or anything. I think I should start. Oh my god, this is just so hard. I'm so tempted to use my other hand. And yes, I am using CFOP to do this, which is probably a dumb idea. Let's see. 2. And now okay, now time to get this in the right place. This is so hard. Okay, got one like CFOP thing done. This is so hard. Oh my god. Where's my orange guy? Okay. This is really hard. Actually, 1, and then you 2, and then this thing back. Okay, so I got blue and orange that time. Okay, I dropped it. Put this in. Put this boy back. Let's see, red, green. It's gonna be so hard. This guy back. Oh my god, I'm bad at commentary. Okay, so move this down, move the top, move this back up. Okay, so I have them connected now. Oh, let's go. Okay, now time for orange and green. See. Oh, it's already connected. That's pretty good. And I put this back in. I have a dot. Oh my god. Move this back. And then move this back. Okay. So now I have an L. Bottom right. Do this. Do that, do this. I swear I'm gonna mess up on an algorithm because I'm only using one hand. Now you see my other hand is not doing nothing, even though it's itching to do something. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. I have the cross. Oh no, it's this one. I'm using 2, look. 2, down. Down, 1, 2, 1, 2 look OLL and 2 look PLL. 1, 2, 1, 2. Move this back, and then now I can move front face back. And now the top is solved. Oh, it's the diagonal corner swap. Okay. 1, 2. Oh my god. 1. And then now move this down. Okay, this is like really bad commentary. Okay, got the line done. This is so hard. How do people solve stuff one-handed? F, and then put this guy back. Okay, I'm almost there. So blue, okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, back, Move this. Okay, I'm almost done. Okay. Move this guy back. Oh my god! No, don't mess up. There. And now 2. Let's go. I'm done. Oh, what was that? 5 minutes? Oh my god. Feels like good to be able to use 2 hands again. Yes. This is a weird challenge. I don't know if it is a challenge for anything, but yay, I managed to solve a Rubik's Cube with 1 hand. And yeah, see you guys all in my next video.